Welcome Turkish customers. First, we will lead them to visit our LED screen aging workshop. Here, they will have the opportunity to understand the performance and quality of LED screens after long-term use. We will demonstrate our rigorous testing processes to ensure product stability and reliability in a variety of environmental and application conditions. Such a visit will provide customers with an in-depth understanding of our quality management processes and a better understanding of our commitment to product quality. Next, we will take customers to visit our LED screen showroom. This exhibition hall displays LED screen products of various sizes, resolutions and types. Customers will have the opportunity to see the effects of these LED screens up close and understand their characteristics and application scenarios. The various LED screen models displayed in the showroom will provide customers with rich choices and help them better understand our product lines.